Hello everyone, welcome to Pabbly Connect. So in this video we will learn how to integrate PayKickstart and Syndicate. So our use case is pretty simple. When a new sale is created in PayKickstart, it will automatically add a subscriber in Syndicate. Now PayKickstart is an awesome subscription building software and Syndicate is an awesome email marketing platform. So what we are going to do is, we are going to send the data from PayKickstart to Syndicate. But there is one minor problem. There is actually no integration between PayKickstart and Syndicate. So in cases like these, we need to bring a third app to connect them both. So in this video, we will be using Pabbly Connect to integrate PayKickstart and Syndicate. And the best part of using Pabbly Connect is, there is no need for coding skills or programming knowledge. It can be done easily. Let me show you on my screen.
Okay, so to begin the process, first type pabbly.com in your browser. Pabbly.com. Press enter. Pabbly.com. Press enter. Okay, so this is the website of Pabbly.com. So hover on products and at the bottom you will find the option called as connect. Click on connect. Then click on sign in. Okay, so this is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. As you can see, I have already created an account in Pabbly. You can also create your own free account in just 2 minutes. Here I would like to mention one more thing, that Pabbly Connect offers a plan where this integration can be tried out absolutely free. So if you want, you can create your own account right now and set up your own automation. The link is available in the description box. Actually, I would insist that you try this automation with me. It's actually pretty fun. Okay, so scroll down and at the bottom you will find connect. Here click on access now. Okay, so at the right top corner you will find the button create workflow. Click this. A dialog box appears in front of you. It is asking you to give a name to this workflow. I'm going to give it as PayKickstart to Syndicate. PayKickstart. PayKickstart to Syndicate. Then click on create. So when you click on create, a window appears in front of you. This is called as the trigger window. So in the choose app, how about we make it as PayKickstart, because we want to send the data from PayKickstart. Now in the trigger event, it should be transaction sales. Okay, so transaction sales is basically a trigger event. So your obvious question is, what is a trigger event? Trigger is basically an if statement. It asks a question, if the condition is met, what should be done? For example, if sales happens or sale is made, then what action should be taken by the system? Actually, there are many more triggers like fulfillment on queue, fulfillment on hold, fulfillment order received, subscription change. So basically all of them are a bunch of triggers. However, in case if you don't find the trigger of your choice, you can make a request to our team at admin@pabbly.com for the specific trigger that you want to make. But at present, I just want to send the data when a transaction sales happens in PayKickstart. Okay, so basically the gist of the process is, here we are going to integrate PayKickstart to Pabbly Connect. So let's have a visit to PayKickstart. So this is my PayKickstart account. And in the campaigns, I will find the products. So I'm interested in this product. Okay, so I'm going to integrate this product to Pabbly Connect. So I'm going to click on edit. Okay, so scroll down. And in the edit page, the last part, bottom part of the edit page, you will find the option called as integrations. Click this. Now scroll up. Okay, so here you will find the option called as IPN URL. Click on add. Okay, so in the blank called as the IPN URL, you have to add the URL. So where will we find the IPN URL? So to get the IPN URL, let's go to Pabbly Connect and copy this. This is the IPN URL or the webhook URL you want. Simply copy this and just paste it here. Okay, now we have to change the event as a transaction sales. This one at the last. Okay, so basically we have filled in the IPN URL and also we have set the event as a transaction sales. So how about we just click on save. Okay, so it is showing that we have integrated this product to Pabbly Connect. So this means anytime a transaction sales happens in PayKickstart, Pabbly Connect has to capture this data. So as to ensure that Pabbly Connect captures this data, let's go to Pabbly Connect and click on Capture Webhook Response. Okay, so it is showing it is waiting for the data. So let's go to PayKickstart and let's go to campaigns. Okay, so how about we purchase a product as a dummy customer? So let's go to the checkout link. So this is the checkout link, and I'm opening this in a new tab. Now imagine this dummy customer is purchasing my product. Okay, so the name of the dummy customer is let's see, how about we go with 𝙃𝙖𝙫𝙬. Okay, 𝙃𝙖𝙫 Kent, and this is the email address. Okay, so just click on next step. So 𝙃𝙖𝙫 Kent is from France, and I'm going to enter some place. Okay, and just click on next step and complete purchase order. Okay, so a purchase has been made by this person called as 𝙃𝙖𝙫 Kent. Basically, it means that our transaction has happened. So let's see, has a Pabbly Connect, since it is integrated with PayKickstart, has it captured this data? So it is showing it is waiting for the data. Give it 1 or 2 seconds. It will capture the data. Okay, so it is showing that the data has been captured. So this is the billing address, and this is the billing address too. Basically, we are more interested in the email. Okay, so it has captured the email. So this is the email, @nciso123@gmail.com, and this is the last name, and this is the first name. These 3 details are we interested in, because Syndicate demands these 3 details, that is the last name, the first name, and the email. Okay, so we have got the data. So how about we sync in this data to Syndicate? So to do that, just click on this plus button. So when you click on this plus button, another window opens up. So this is called as the action window. So in the Choose app, how about we make it as Syndicate? Syndicate, okay, this one. And in the action event, how about we make it as add update subscriber? Then click on connect with Syndicate. Okay, so now in the new credentials, we have a blank to fill called as the API token. So to get the API token, let's go to Syndicate. So this is my Syndicate account, okay, and let's go to this part called as manage. Then go to account, click this, and scroll down. Scroll down, scroll down, scroll down. Okay, so this is the API token you want. Copy this and simply paste it here. Then click on save. So when you click on save, a set of blanks will appear in front of you. The purpose of this blank is very simple. We are going to create a contact or a subscriber with the help of the data that we have received from PayKickstart via Pabbly Connect. So before we sync in this data, let me tell you something. Pabbly Connect doesn't take any chances with your data. Your data is 100% safe and secure with us. Okay, so in the choose list, it is showing default list, list A, list B, 𝗪𝗵𝘆 list, awesome, and so on. This is because I actually have a list. Let me show you my list. Scroll up. So I have a list. So these are the list I have: default list, awesome. Okay, all the list that is present here will be reflected here. Okay, for example, how about I create one more list? Okay, so I'm going to create a list. The list name is high gold list, or high priority list, high gold list. Okay, high gold. So we are going to create a new list in Syndicate. Okay, so a list called as high gold has been created. So how about we refresh this and let's see whether we have a list. Okay, we have a list called as high gold list. So we are going to enter this customer, the new contact, in this high gold list. Okay, so that is why we have chosen the list as high gold list. Okay, now in the email, we are going to map in the email. So to do that, just click on this button. This is called as the mapping button. Click this and just type the email. Okay, so this is the email and we have mapped it. Excellent. Now similarly, we are going to enter the name, full name. Okay, not full name. So name is 𝙃𝙖𝙫 and enter a space, and we have the last name as Kent. Okay, excellent. So we have entered the detail, email, and the full name. Okay, so just click on save and send test request. Okay, so the API response is showing the data has been sent to Syndicate. So let's have a look. Let's go to manage, go to account. Okay, so let's go to subscribers actually. Okay, so this is the list, high code. Let's have a look. Yes, we have got the contact called as 𝗪𝗚𝗍𝗪𝗠@gmail.com. So the presence of this contact in Syndicate shows that we have successfully integrated PayKickstart and Syndicate with help of Pabbly Connect. So how about we double check if the integration is working fine or not. But before that, let me show you the whole gist of the process. So let me go to Pabbly Connect and let me minimize my action window and let me minimize my trigger window. Okay, so basically this is the whole process in a nutshell. First you integrated PayKickstart to Pabbly Connect and then you integrated Pabbly Connect to Syndicate. So now there is a perfect flow of data between PayKickstart and Syndicate. Okay, so let's create one more dummy transaction. I have copied the checkout link and then I'm pasting this here. Okay, so this time the person's name, how about we enter as Jerry. Okay, Jerry Maguire, and this is the email 𝗪𝗚𝗍𝗪𝗠@gmail.com. Click on next step, and this Jerry is from India, and these are the details. I'm going to enter the province, phone number if they want. Okay, so we have entered all the details. Just click on next step and complete the purchase. Okay, so it is showing the customer called as Jerry Maguire has completed the purchase. Excellent. So let's see in Syndicate whether we have a person. Yes, we have a person called as Jerry Maguire123@gmail.com. So our integration is working absolutely fine. So this means anytime a transaction happens or transaction sales happens in PayKickstart, it will be reflected as a contact in Syndicate.
Not just these two apps, you can integrate up plenty of applications using Pabbly Connect. If you have any queries, contact us at admin@pabbly.com. Our dedicated team members will help you to automate your workflows. Or better, just visit our website www.pabbly.com. It's awesome. Thanks.